The question is f of x equal to sin x, then find f prime x. To solve this derivation of trigonometric function using derivative definition formula, f prime of x equal to lim h tends to 0 f of x plus h plus, minus f of x over h. Then find f of x plus h. Equal to sin x plus h, and f of x equal to sin x. Then substitute f prime x equal to lim h tends to 0 f of x plus h equal to sin x plus h, sin x plus h, minus f of x equal to sin x over h. Then sin x plus h equal to sin x cos h plus cos h cos x times sin h. Then substitute this position, equal to lim h tends to 0 sin x cos h plus cos x sin h minus sin x over h. Then lim h tends to 0 sin x over the times cos h minus 1 over h times cos h sin h over h, because this means equal to lim h tends to 0 sin x cos h minus sin x over h minus plus cos x times sin h over h. Then sin limit of h tends to 0 sin x common cos h minus 1 over h plus cos sin h over h. Then this means this one. Then sin x lim h tends to 0 cos h minus 1 over h plus cos h cos x cos x lim h tends to 0 sine h over h over h. Then what is the value of limit of cos h minus 1 over h? Limit of cos h minus 1 over h tends to 0. To find limit of this equation, multiply by conjugation of numerator. Conjugation of numerator is cos h plus 1 over cos h plus 1. Then cos h times cos h equal to cos square h cos h times 1 plus cos h minus 1 times cos h minus cos h minus 1 times 1 minus 1 over h times cos h plus 1 cos h plus 1. This cancelled by this one. Lim h tends to 0 cos square h minus 1 over h cos h plus 1. Then cos square h plus sine square h equal to 1. Cos square h minus 1 equal to minus sine square h. Then substitute this position. Limit of cos square h minus 1 equal to minus sine square h minus sine square h over h cos h plus 1 h tends to 0. Then this means lim h tends to 0 minus sine h over h times lim h tends to 0 sine h over cos h plus 1 . Then the main point is limit of sine h or x over h tends to 0 always equal to 1, or lim sine x over x tends to 0 is equal to 1. Then substitute this position by 1. Lim h tends to 0 minus sine h over h equal to 1 times limit of sine h over cos h plus 1 h tends to 0. Then minus times 1 minus 1, limit of constant number is also constant number minus 1 times limit of sine h over cos h plus 1 h tends to 0. Substitute 0 in the h position. Then sine 0 is equal to 0, cos h is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 over 2 is equal to 0. Then 0 times minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of limit of cos h minus 1 over h is equal to 1, 0. Then sin x 0 times sin x is equal to 0 plus cos x limit of sin h over h tends to 0 is equal to cos h, because sin h over h is equal to 1. So limit of sin h over h tends to 0 is equal to 1. Then cos x times 1 is equal to cos x. The value of this is equal to cos x. Then plus cos x. Finally, f prime x is equal to cos x. Thank you.